Okay, today we're going to talk about laser settings, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a text box in here, and you can see I've got this text box. I can move it around. When I double click on it, I've got all the things that refer to this text box. For example, if I want to put in flags, let's say I want to put in the Julian date, I can double click here and then put 1, 2, 3, hit apply. And that's the 231 day 1, 2, 3. Got my anchor, my bottom left you can see if I wanted this to be center, you can do this, that time apply, boom, now it's center, that position. Under the font, because I picked operating system font, I've got every font in Windows. I'm not going to review that too much. The tool is either, hey, do I want it to be marked, which is standard, or template, which is don't mark it. And then I'm going to call this date code. So I type in date code, this description will show up here, apply. So really, I'm going to talk about fill real quick. Fill and tool. Fill, tool means outline. So if I want to outline and then fill, and I want it to be at 0.05, there it is. Okay, I'm going to double click on this guy again here. And I'm going to go in and make this, 0.1, and I'm going to put the angle at 45. Okay, that'll kind of show you. So really, the the vector is where you've got your mark speed, your power, and your frequency. So the rest of this is jump speed and in millionths of a second, mark delay. This is for highly sensitive materials. Most metal marking, you don't even touch these. Mark speed, your power, and your frequency are the three areas. So if you speed up your mark, it's going to get lighter. If you slow down your mark, it's going to get darker. If you increase your power, it's going to get darker. So you can increase your power and increase your speed, and you're going to be able to get the same mark. So it's about how much power for how much time. If I go 50% power at 10, it's the same thing as 100% power at 20. Frequency here is tapping. And so this is a tool, and it goes from 1 to 10. It's how much energy burst do you want. If you have 1, what that's going to do is it's going to give you a lighter, smaller frequency dot, so the energy is going to go a lot faster, but it's going to be smaller packets. If you go 10, that means that you're going to be collecting energy for 10,000th of a second and throwing that energy at the part. So this frequency really is, the higher the number, the deeper, the more pronounced. So those are really the settings that you will need when you're setting up your text mark.